We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam on a Brother HL L5200DW. So the first thing I like to do when I have a paper jam, I always check my tray. Sometimes it can be something very simple. So open your tray, see if you see any paper down here. If you do see some here, just go ahead and gently pull up and out. Then, second place to check is under your toner and drum. So open your front hatch, pull your drum unit out. If you see it right here, you would just pull it up and out gently. You never want to yank or pull really hard on the paper because then you could break some pieces off in there or possibly damage a sensor, causing more jams and more damage to your printer. Another place to check is the back. So you can just pull it off right here. You'll see the paper right here. Just pull it up and out. Try to follow your paper path and just make sure not to yank or anything like that. Pull slow and gentle. If you guys are having lots of paper jams, it's probably time to bring your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.